Hello everyone, this is Shubham from Gossip Funda and today I'm here to elaborate about the topic Android A core stops working. Why does it stop working and what is it actually? Let's just find in the video. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the topic. Okay, so let us first know what is this Android.process.a core is. Well, the Android.process.a core has stopped usually working. It occurs on screen many times in our mobile phone, and it occurs usually because there's an issue with your contact cache data on the device. You may also encounter it after updating your phone for a second or due to a temporary glitch in the sync process. It also happens on phones running on older version of Android. These are the process through which it can be resolved. So the first step is update your apps. Start to cure this process by updating the apps in your phone from Google Play Store, and particularly make sure that you have updated the contact phone and other system apps. Once updated, just restart your phone. This should fix temporary issues and glitches, however, it doesn't rectify the problem. Now the second process is disable sync for third-party apps. Sometimes the Android.process.a core has stopped error can be caused due to sync issues with Facebook, Instagram, Messenger or any social other apps. So for this, stop syncing apps by opening the settings, going to the account section, clicking on the Facebook or Messenger or Instagram and then disable the sync option. Follow the same procedure with other third party application too. Now the third process is removing and re-adding a Google account. This process is going to fix any issues with contacts and Google account on your phone, but don't turn off the sync option in the Google. It is much helpful in syncing contacts and other files saved in your phone. The third step is resetting app preference and checking disabled apps. At times, disabling an important system app can cause some features to not work on your phone, resulting in Android.process.a has stopped pop-up message appearing again and again. For all this, open settings, go to the apps and notifications, see in all my apps, and by this first check all the disabled tabs. Or the better solution is go to the three dot bar, click on the reset app preference on the same page only and reset the apps to confirm. It is an easy solution. Resetting app preferences, like basically it will clear all the default app settings, enable the disabled apps and reset app permission to default. Also you can go to the show system and then you can check out that there is contacts, contact storage and Google contact sync. So now you have to do is storage and cache. You have to go there and clear all the data, like delete app data, contact storage, and again reinstall, or rather I would say re-add your Chrome account. Now the fifth step is clearing system cache partition. Now wiping your phone cache partition can help resolve issues on your device, including random glitches and errors. This will delete any temporary or corrupted data on the phone. However, make sure you proceed this step with caution and keep your data backed up. Simply you need to press the power of your phone and then press power button plus the volume button in simultaneously, and it will take you to the boot recovery mode. Now use your volume keys to navigate to wipe the cache partition and press the power button to select the reset cache partition. And tada, it's done. Now the final step is update your phone software. Manufacturers and developers regularly push update to their devices, be it their mobile or their PC, to add new features, fix any intermittent bugs and glitches, and sometimes even to improve performance or the battery itself. So one should always check for updates and update their phone or device to the latest version. For these updates, you need to go to the settings and about phone, and then you need to click on system updates and check whether updates are available or not. So that was my video about Android.acore.process. What is it and how to solve it in the easiest 6-way step. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Do like, comment and share it to your friends, and subscribe to Gossip Funda for these further technical updates. Do check the link in the description area of the videos or other videos as well, and post down your queries in the comment section. And yes, stay happy, stay safe, meet you in my next video, and yes, do subscribe to Gossip Funda. Bye.